We are working on a 2007 BMW X3. We've been having some issues with it where it's stuttering and misfires. It's got some oil leaks, so we're going to be changing a couple things on it to see if we can get that to disappear. One issue was first it had check engine, then it didn't, and then now it's no check engine, but it's stuttering and it's not fully dying out. We'll be changing the oil cap, and then we'll be changing the 3 coil packs that haven't been replaced, and then we'll be changing the drive belt because it seems like it's gotten a little worn, so we might as well get at it while we're in there. All right guys, let's go get it done.
Do it.
Do what? Let's go get it done. Yeah. Nobody's excited about working on BMW, okay, when it comes down to it. So let's go knock it out and just get it over with and go have a nice cup of tea or coffee, whatever floats your boat. All right. 2007 BMW X3. So what we got here is we're changing this guy out right here. It's leaking. We tightened it last time. There's not much leakage this time, but it's been leaking for a while, so we might as well change it out. We looked online. You know, this specific one is, I don't know, they don't really sell it much, but you could go to directly to BMW and get it. So we got this one right here. The box is made in right there, but the part is made in Germany, and this was bought through Discount Imports. They said it is legit. This is the fun we're gonna be doing. We got the drive belt and 3 coil packs. We already changed the other 3 out, so never done this. It's pretty straightforward. Just kind of take that off. Some people use something, take it off. I just kind of can pry it open, just twist it. Usually pops right off. Let it go. There we go. Just kind of pull it up, twist it. This is a gasket. You can also replace that if you want. I don't see a point replacing it, and we'll wipe it down. Here's the old one. I don't know if you guys can see all the oil that's on the gasket, but we tightened it real hard last time just to see if it leaks again. Right there, that little piece goes in that groove right here. Made anywhere. If I only know it's China. Just lying. So it just popped right on there. No questions asked. I feel like that should be, so it pops off pretty easy, but I feel like it needs to be somewhere around here. There we go. There we go. We'll see if that leaks. I'll do an update in a day or so. See if that leaks. There's that. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. Actually, my bad. It's this one, and then the one way back there. Kind of hard to see, but you don't have to take off all of this stuff. This one's a little different than the ones they replaced. But so apparently we have, I will show you a little bit. So this one is also a replacement. So usually, because I've pulled these off back and forth, and they're kind of sometimes hard to come off. So what you could do is always put it like this, just kind of gently pry it up, like that. Don't put too much force on it. If you're putting too much force on it, then you're doing something wrong. You could break something, because this is a little like plastic. So you got original. Here, I'll put this light on here if that's easier. Got the original replacement from Halsey, and then this is a replacement from Import Direct. They're all Bosch. This is also says Bosch Germany. This just says Bosch. And then this says Bosch Germany. So this one, pop these back in. So when you put these back in, you want to make sure you feel that little click. There you go. And replace this one. Kind of give it a tight push in there. Put that in. And that should do that. I believe this one was also what would need to be replaced. Yeah. They're not doing anything crazy, but sometimes when they go bad, you might as well change them all. So, same scenario. I don't know if you could see back there. Let me adjust this a little bit. Remove that guy. Just pry it up. Put it on the side. And there's that. I'm gonna put some light on this. Really. There we go. As you can see, the little grooves right there. So you know you're putting it in the right way. Okay. There's that. So next thing we're going to be doing is the BMW's drive belt. 07 BMW. It's a Continental brand. They say it's the best you can get. Engineered in Germany. Let's see if I could get a part number or something. Here, let me go this way. There you go. So first thing you're gonna need is a T30. These are little specialty tools. Don't need a 10mm socket. Completely different mess. Oh yeah, you can. Let's see here. So it requires, well, I'm using a T55. These little guys right here. Nothing little about them, but it's BMW for you. Y'all know the pain. I have two, so yeah. Well, this one's not mine, but it doesn't matter, right? So here's what we're gonna do. Stick this in the tensioner. Okay. If you want more room to work around, I don't feel like doing this, so I'm not doing this. As you could take off this whole fan right here. I don't feel like doing it, so I'm doing it my way. I recommend people take it off if you're doing it for the first time. Tension pulley. So you kind of press down. Also recommend take a picture before you start doing this of the way the belt is sitting, so you know what's going on. Then once you release it, sit it down like that. And then the dry belt pops out like so. Take a whole mess in here. It goes underneath. These. So would you look at that? Got some cracks, but that's normal wear and tear. This is not normal. All of this is not normal. And I don't know what kind of belt this is.
You don't need that load bar.
Hmm?
You don't need that load bar. Do it. Go grab the bar.
What I'm afraid about is that sharp fin is plastic. And I see it getting smashed.
No.
Hold on.
One way to find out, shoot the ball. Oh, it's fine.
It's not on there?
It's on. It's on, он его подержал.
Okay, it's on. Go. Alright. A little too close for comfort. Take off the strap next time.
Так.
Lesson learned.
Or grow an extra pair of hands.
You might as well. Like your previous video, right? How many hands does it take? So far, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Loosen the tension.
Okay. I like this. It's a little better. Everything's in its legit spot so far. One thing. Hold on a second. That goes there. Comes around this way. How to this guy?
Yeah, everything seems to have lined up.
Okay.
Yeah, it seems like everything lined up. Give it a run.
For some reason. Oh. I'll put all this bullshit on there.
Yeah. Give it a run.
First Monday.
So, what do you have to say for yourself?
Lesson learned.
Yeah, what was the lesson?
Take off the pinch route.
Okay, your hands. He's gonna start to turn over. Moment of truth. Yeah, look at that, it worked. Hey, turn it off.
What's that smell?
This is what the problem is right
What?
here. Smell it, your belt's coming off.
So, okay, so this guy's bad.
Tension pulleys, man.
So I think your tensioner has failed. Dude, yeah, really for real. Look at this. Look at that. Do you see this lip right here? Do you see that right there?
Yep.
So basically those clicks when you were hearing. So the clicks that you were hearing when you were putting the load on it, on the actual tensioner, that was actual spring missing, and it was like clicking over. Because apparently whatever holds that piece in place has failed and is coming apart. So you need a new tensioner. You can't. This car can't leave right now.
Yep.
Otherwise you're gonna fuck this whole thing up.
Well, I guess tomorrow we order a tension pulley, and that's, I guess, will be our next project. Very nice.